Okay, this is the target property to be a church. We are praying for this. This is about 120 square meters. So with existing fence and gate, with the existing structure, ready to be a church. So just a little cleaning. There's still space at the back. This is the fence, the perimeter fence. This is the wall of the house. Then this one is the vacant space. So here, with existing fence, with existing comfort room and the kitchen sink. This is the inside of the house, which could be a church. So approximately this is about 64 square meter inside. For the meantime, it is okay to be a church. It can cater 40 to 50 person. Help us and pray with us also to buy this property. We are praying this property to be turned into a church. This worth 1.7 million pesos, which is $30,000. We are praying this in Jesus' name.